Hello, today I am going to be doing a collaboration with SoulLady Salt and Pepper Wigs. This right here is the box. They put a bag in the packaging so that if you want to give this as a gift, look at how lovely that is. Isn't that beautiful? So let's see what comes in the box of the SoulLady Salt and Pepper Wig collection. And what wig did I get today? It comes in a nice silk bag. Inside there are 2 wig caps you get, and you get a hairpiece and maintenance guide. And that's what's in the box. So in the satin bag, what do we get? We get our hairpiece. And today I will be modeling the SoulLady Kinky Curly Headband Wig. It's 100% human hair. The color is medium salt and pepper. And the length is 16 inches. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at, see it up close. This is the medium salt and pepper. Pretty. Oh, it's got the wig cap over it. And see, when you're done with it and you want to put it away, you can just put it in this beautiful silk SoulLady bag. Keep it nice and beautiful. So there it is. There's the headband. Now I'm not going to wear the wig cap because this has, I'll tell you how many combs inside. See, that just comes apart like that. It's adjustable. And it has 1, 2, 3. It has 4 combs inside. 2 on the sides, 1 in the back, and 1 on the top, as well as the adjustable Velcro band on the wig. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on and see how easy it is to put on. So there's the headband. I'm going to take my glasses off so I can get this on correctly. And what's so nice about this is I actually have salt and pepper on my in my hair. So even with the edges hanging out, there's salt and pepper. So when I don't want to dye my hair, this is what I'll have on. And then the strap in the back is Velcro and it's adjustable. And there you have it. Now these wigs come in shades of salt and pepper, light, standard, medium, and dark. And this is, like I say, this is a medium salt and pepper. And you can also get cap size, hair color, and style, fully customizable. These wigs are customizable to how you want to wear it. But isn't that pretty? I really like it. And because you have seen this video, you can get a discount of 15% if you use the exclusive discount code, my name, Charlene, CHARLENE. You will get 15% discount off the purchase of one of the SoulLady Salt and Pepper Wigs. So isn't that wonderful? So you guys take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.